Okay, first of all, for this question, for a trig equation actually, if you don't have a restricted domain, it actually has infinite answers. So for example, if I have sine of x is equal to half, sine curve goes forever, right? What this is asking is, on the sine curve, if the y value is half, okay, what x value can you plug in here so that the y value is half? Well, here's y. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and it'll just keep going, right? So this comment here, it's got to be about, we got to have a restriction, probably referring to 0 to 2 pi, because if you restrict it from 0 to 2 pi, if it was sine of theta, if it was just sine of x, it'll have two answers. Now what the 2x does, okay, to the normal sine curve, it does a horizontal compression. So normally sine of x we can draw one period of the sine curve. Sine of 2x, we can actually draw 2 period. 1, 2. So from that you can see, so this question here is 1/3. Well, here's 1/3 will be about here. You can see there's going to be 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4 x values. Okay, 4 x values, which will make the y value 1/3. Okay, so to go ahead and solve this question, okay, so solving, so I'm going to show you a method that's not really exactly using this graph here. Okay, so what we do instead, we let 2x, okay, 2x equal to theta, and we solve the equation using sine of theta is equal to 1/3. Okay, but note that x was between 0 to 2 pi. So if x is between 0 and 2 pi, if you're going to consider just theta, say theta is 2x, so 2x we have to consider between 0 to 4 pi, right? To get from x to 2x, you have to double it. Okay, so we can say theta is between 0 to 4 pi. So that naturally draws a similar looking picture as this one, where we have to draw 1 period and 2 period. Okay. And here's 1/3 will be here. So when you punch in the calculator, okay, this value right here will be sine, the theta of sine of inverse of 1/3. So when you punch in the calculator, it'll just give you that one single value, 0.34. So how do I get the other answers? Well, the other one visually is right here. That's exactly right, pi, this is pi right here, pi minus the same amount. So next answer is going to be pi minus 0.34. The one after that is going to be, this is 2 pi increment by the same 0.34. So 2 pi plus 0.34. And the one after that is going to be 3 pi, okay, 2 pi, 3 pi, and then minus 0.34. Okay, so that will get you the last answer here. Right here. Now this is what theta is equal to. Okay, theta is equal to this. But theta is equal to 2x. So x is all of these values, 0.34 divided by 2, pi minus 0.34 divided by 2, 2 pi plus 0.34 divided by 2, and 3 pi divided by 2. Okay. Of course, you can just punch that all in the calculator. Okay, and note that this value right here, that's passed a little bit before 3 pi. If you divide it by 2, it's all going to fall in the range, within the range of 2 pi.